Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to blur in Snapseed. Here's a full step-by-step tutorial on how to blur in Snapseed. First, open Snapseed app. You can install it from the Google Play Store if you don't already have it. Then launch the app. Import your photo. Tap the plus or open button. Select the photo you want to blur by tapping on it. Go to Tools. At the bottom of the screen, tap Tools. Choose Lens Blur tool. From the Tools list, choose Lens Blur, the drop that like icon. Choose Blur Shape. By default, by default, it shows a circular blur. You can switch between circular or switching to linear by tapping the circle icon on the bottom left panel. Now, let's switch to circular mode by tapping the line icon. Adjust blur area size. Pinch with two fingers to resize the blur, circle, or line. Move the blur area. Drag the blur circle line to place it over the subject or area you want sharp, so move it to the lower center. The rest outside the circle line will be blurred. Adjust transition. Drag the outer edge of the blur or circle line to set how smoothly the blur fades out. Change blur strength. Swipe up or down to open options. Select blur strength. Then swipe left or right to increase or decrease the blur. Add vignette. Swipe up or down again. Choose vignette strength. Then swipe right to darken edges for extra focus. Apply the blur. Tap the check mark at the bottom right to confirm changes. Save your photo. Tap Export. Choose Save. Save a copy, or Export. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.